Here's the ITIL V3 or 2011 edition certification scheme launched in 2007, revised in 2011, and retired as a certification path in 2022. It's based on a point system of 5 levels: Foundation, Practitioner, Intermediate, Expert, and Master. Within it, you accumulate points and achieve each level by taking the associated certification examination. When you reach 22 points, you've earned the ITIL Expert designation. The foundation level focuses on knowledge and comprehension of the essential concepts, terminology, and processes of ITIL V3. This is the level that the vast majority of ITIL V3 certificate holders have achieved. The ITIL practitioner level was positioned as what to take after ITIL Foundation. It was an optional course emphasizing learning and applying continual service improvement principles. The intermediate level assessed your ability to analyze and apply the concepts of ITIL and was composed of 2 streams, the intermediate lifecycle and capability streams. The ITIL V3 lifecycle stream was based on the 5-phase ITIL service lifecycle and the publications associated with each phase: service strategy, design, transition, operation, and continual service improvement. The intermediate capability stream was more complex, consisting of 4 individual certificates focused on detailed process implementation and management within cluster groupings of content drawn from across the lifecycle phases and associated publications. Operational support and analysis, or OSNA, covered event, incident, request, problem, access, technical IT operations, and application management processes, and the services function. Planning, protection, and optimization, or PPO, covered capacity, availability, continuity, security, demand, and risk management. And release control and validation covered change, release and deployment, validation and testing, service asset and configuration, knowledge, request, and service evaluation management. And service offerings and agreements covered portfolio, service level, and catalog management, as well as demand, supplier, and financial management. Managing across the lifecycle, or MELC, was the capstone course and certification that had to be taken to achieve ITIL Expert certification. ITIL V3 Expert certifies that you've completed several intermediate units, the foundation level, and the managing across the lifecycle capstone courses and exams. While there are over 2 million ITIL Foundation certified professionals, ITIL experts are counted in the thousands. ITIL Master is a very exclusive club of hundreds of people, versus thousands of ITIL experts, and assesses the individual's ability to ally and analyze ITIL concepts in new areas.